Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? How's your weekend? How's your Monday so far? Share with me. So since beginning of this week, I will start my Steams. I decided to start my Steams at 8:50. So, and yeah, Steams is going to be starting early since today. It's SPX chart. Yeah, I was watching SPX. So, guys, here's the weekend. Did you trade something yesterday at 6 p.m. or after 6 p.m.? Nope. Yeah, me too. Nothing yet. Oh, thank you, thank you. So, guys, my yesterday I did my analysis with different levels because I was working on my weekly outlook before 6 p.m. I didn't even realize like it's going to be contract change. And guys, yes, today I'm going to trade September contract, and my levels will be based on September contract. So if you want to change, you need to type NQU 2025 or MNQU 2025. So it will change to September contract from June contract. So today on even like trader said like, Dasha, you need to trade September contract today. So I said, okay, I'm not going to argue with you. So yeah, today we are going to trade September contract. So volume is higher there already. I'm not sure about open interest just yet, but I believe. Need to check this. So yeah, for M and Q, for NQ, you're going to tap M and Q EU 2025, and it's going to be September contract, or you have option, of course. You can see on your, let me take a screenshot to show you. Lower right corner, guys, you will see this button right here. See this? So this button will adjust you to contract changes. So you can just press this button, set off B adjustment on. It's going to change, adjust to contract changes. So it's up to you. So I just press this button. So I'm going to analyze on NQ. Why? Because NQ chart, if I want to compare with NQU 2025, has more data. See this? And compare with this one. So I prefer to draw all levels on NQ chart with B adjust on right here. Adjust for contract changes. So highly recommend to do this as well for you. So this morning I did do all my levels. So right now all I have is like important levels, overnight levels, Asia low, New York midnight open, weekly open, previous week low, equal lows. And I'm not going to lie, equal lows was my key level, my target for the first half of the week. And yesterday I was so surprised to see it failed to take previous week low level, because I still would like to see previous week low level this week. So let's see how we can, especially, with news and something like this, doesn't make any sense to pump. Like, let's go lower first, please. This all makes sense right now. And just watching right now on monthly chart, definitely it wants to go to all-time high. But once we got inversion fair value gap, in my opinion, retracement not enough right here to continue going to all-time high. So at this point, what makes sense? Let's retrace lower to go to all-time high. Especially with news, it makes sense to retrace. At least to previous week low level, but who actually knows, right? How big range, overnight range so far? Perfect. 300 points. On gold, Gold a bit choppy, but offered some scalp opportunities before. Let me move this right here. So on gold, I'm going to keep my eyes on these two fair value gaps. Oops, fair value gaps on 15-minute chart. So if you have TradeView, you can execute on NQ, and your executions will project on NQ contract. So I execute on NQ normally, or MNQ, or gold. So it's going to be based on September contract as well. So on gold, I have some levels lower, which is 15-minute fair value gap right here. So if price made it trace down to pump from here, it will be absolutely amazing, because right now we have chop. Pretty much I need to see expansion, consolidation, expansion, reversal. So this idea for gold needs just to see another move lower to this area right here. But since it's consolidation, I prefer preferably just scalp from premium to discount, from discount to premium. That's it. So I'm not bearish on gold at all, but I would like to see slightly lower first. How many points? Like 15, maybe 20 points lower. Expansion, consolidation, expansion, reversal. Guys, what is your bias for gold? You bearish? You bullish? Bearish on gold, target. Giveaway today. I decided to do like new opportunity for everyone. If we're going to hit 400 likes today, I will do giveaway. And then I'm going to do this kind of giveaways every day. If it's going to be like 400 likes, I'm going to do giveaway. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, next week, in 2 weeks, you got it. I think it's a good opportunity for everyone. You want to see the reversal from 30, yeah, your area is exactly area where I would like to see the reversal from. Exactly. So yeah, I would like to see a reversal, a reaction, or retracement simply from this area. So range between 3408 and 3422, I would say. So we use B adjust on. It will adjust your contract to contract changes. So yes, on and set off. Let me leave this for now right here. So you're bullish on gold, not on NQ. It's hard to say because I would like to see maybe Friday high taken on NQ and ES, but I'm not going to lie. I don't mind to see previous week low taken, equal lows right there. So that it makes million sense to me to drop to equal lows, previous week low level before reversal. Strong high from equal lows there. Going to be strange to leave this. So once again, if you just joined, we changing for September contract from June to September. It's going to be NQU 2025, or you can just stay on NQ chart, but you need to press this button on your lower right corner. So Friday high right here, we have internal buy side liquidity right here. So hard to say, because seems like it builds in low resistance liquidity as well. Pretty much, how can I call this, like triangle, right? Like this, right? But previous week low level, equal lows, I don't know, like seems obvious level to me. But also we have previous week high level, which is CPI high, I believe. So yeah, Friday high on ES is flat top. So guys, let's see. You bullish or bearish on gold? Let me create a poll. Bias. Bullish. Bearish. I have no idea. I don't know. Let's see. Bear flag. I mean, possibly, yeah. Seems like so far 47% bearish, 33% bullish. Honestly, it's hard to say because I don't want to see Friday high first. Yeah, attempt to take Friday high, especially on the yes, it's flat candle, and then previous week low level. Can you please drop to previous week low level? Asking for friend just, what's the problem? I know that's my drone liquidity, guys, right here, right here. I have no idea when we can hit this, but I don't mind to short a sell. Let's see if it may offer any opportunity for us. Okay, what we have on 1 hour chart. Let's add some candles. But that's New York midnight open. New York midnight open. 12 a.m. open. Let's see, let's see. What time is okay, it's 9:08. I don't see 2-minute model just yet, but if it may offer 2-minute model before market open, I mean before 9:30 a.m., that's going to be great. To be done before 10. You know, yes, everything below previous week low level is ideal for me. Just let me show you what I would like to see. So I highlighted old new week opening gap and monthly inversion for a value gap. If NQ can drop right here, it's going to be my dream. Why I would like to see this? So basically, as you can see on both ES and NQ, it's can be potential liquidity sweep, right? It's not sweep. It's not even potential sweep just yet. But can you see this potential sweep right here? Once again, it's not sweep, but it can be sweep. How we can confirm this reaction from this potential sweep lower? We need to have daily change in the state of delivery. So basically, if we get the closure below previous week low level on both ES and Q on daily, we will drop hard. We will drop hard all the way down right here. And that's what I want to see, ideally, honestly. But since it doesn't want to close yet, I don't want to short, like overall. And I don't want to think about like huge drops. Contract are over. We already changed contract to September. NQU 2025. Hello guys who just joined. So once again, I will be bearish overall for the week if we get the closure below previous week low level on daily. So it will confirm potential monthly sweep. And yeah, changing the state of delivery, let's short this. Maybe I will short on my personal account, like swing trading, you know, with not huge size because stop loss is going to be big. Yeah, it will be nice to drop, but I don't want to be like first seller right now. We don't have any signs of big drop just yet. But if today it's going to drop and close below previous week low level, I guess, guys, on Thursday it's going to be bank holiday, so market is going to be closed. But I guess Tuesday and Wednesday at this point can be like just drop, hard drop. Who actually knows what will happen, but that's idea for me to short below this level right here. Overall, maybe on personal, like swing trading, you know. On gold, once again, I don't really mind to see another retrace like move lower, expansion, consolidation expansion to long. We'll use 5-minute change in the state of delivery to long gold if we get reaction from here. Next week, yeah, totally possible. So I said we have zero signs of reversal just yet. I'm not going to argue about like if it's bearish or bullish. Obviously, it's bullish on a monthly chart and weekly chart. What about gold? Just said that. So basically, we got expansion, consolidation, expansion, a retracement, reversal. That's my plan. Just I need to see the drop. What is this? Oh, never ever analyze this. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Never analyze this. Okay, we have monthly power of 3. Obviously, market is going right. Okay, not right here first, right here. Like on monthly, I don't want to see higher to this buy side. What SMT guys do you use for this? Pretty sure we're going here to this buy side because 100% we have AMD right now. Forgot to check something. Reaction from monthly fair value gap, okay. Silver, oh, that's interesting. Okay, have. Reaction from this fair value gap offer at order block over here. Oh. I think I want to see this one. Guys, what about you? Who asked me about this instrument? What is your analysis? Maybe something like this, retracement down to order block reaction. Also, we got breakaway gap right here. I want to see this low as protected low. I don't want to see price breaking below this level. Maybe. So seems like market maker buy model, and seems like it's trying to build second stage. We should to see some distortion, which will be nice. Yeah, let's see. Maybe it's still too early to long this. I mean, like if you want to long this on funded account, probably a bit early. By the way, that's even better because we have some low resistance right here to this order block. Like this. With DXY, that's interesting. That's an inverse correlation or not? Let's check real quick. Yes, inverse correlation, okay. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, we have some SMTs. See how we respected this level so far. Yeah, overall seems like I don't mind to see lower first. Someone speaks Spanish with me. I don't understand what you're talking about. I'm so sorry. After that's okay. Let's talk about CL right now because it's in consolidation. Um, yeah, it's consolidation, but second stage of yeah, agree with you. So I do like buy side right here, but not in the near future, obviously. But with this news and situation what is happening in the world, maybe in the near future. So yeah, that's going to be key point, key level. I'm going to even type key level because I guess it's too much to ask for this, right? If you did not receive any mail, so you should get this today, this because it was weekend. Maybe on CL like overall. But I guess that's too much to ask for this drop with situation that's going on in the world. So for this sell side, that's too much to ask, I guess. But key level is going to be this buy side liquidity. I can call this even like equal highs overall, but honestly not sure about this move lower first. On NQ you said you're bullish. I already discussed NQ. I don't mind to see Friday high taken. We have some only concern on ES is flat candle on Friday high. And I don't mind to see we taking out Friday high, but previous week low level seems good. So yeah, this situation that's going on in the world, most likely we will never see the tracement down like I want to see. Maybe just going to be all the way up to straight move up to key level. Possibly to see this. Let me change back to gold. GC. They change the picture? What? Let me see. Yes. Okay. Seems like they changed the picture. Gold trying to go lower where we want to see. I still would like to see slightly lower. I would like to see these bugs. You know, on NQ previous week low level is equal lows. Also, it's flat candle, so candle basically doesn't have wick. I know, like, seems good to me. Maybe not today, but in the near future to go lower. Like somewhere from here on gold, I would like to see the action. It was kind of close, but still, I need to see slightly lower. So I will wait on gold. Yeah, since Thursday is bank holiday, I would say yes, makes sense to drop before holiday, which is going to be Wednesday. Wednesday expansion, yeah. Let's see. Exactly about size down. So I already prepared my plan for trading Apex accounts. So I'm not going to trade huge size. Maybe like it's okay to trade 4 or 5 micros, even less 3, 4, 5 micros, because you never know what is going to be. I hope it's not going to be just chap. FOMC on Wednesday? Oh no, I hate FOMC days. Let me check. Oh really? This means probably FOMC or post FOMC price action is going to deliver us. Yeah, completely finished my presentation for a new video, but just need to record this. It's too bad right now because I don't mind to trade, for example, gold, but on gold I have I see zero setup just yet, and feels like it's not completed yet, and we need to drop lower. Yeah, I would like to see still lower. Maybe they will fake out with move higher to drop lower. What this means is going to be distortion setup. Let's maybe something like this, then this. So yeah, guys, I will look for short on gold. Maybe first it will break above distortion. Yeah, let's see. I will be interested in shorts in gold. Let me open gold on my another screen, so I will keep you updated with this. On gold also I will trade small size. So here's what you want to get. If you trade NQ chart or MNQ chart, not contract, like NQU, MNQU, you need to have this on. Just answered your question. I saw lots of examples of expansion during bank holiday, but I'm not sure if bank is going to be open. I mean, market is going to be open at all. Let me check real quick. June 10, 2025. Let's see. Seems like it's going to be closed at all, right? Can you please check if it's going to be closed at 1 p.m. or not going to be open at all? I will note for myself. At lunch, okay, yeah. This means, yeah, we can get some moves. I like how it's trying to respect 5-minute propulsion block, but I'm not sure if it's guys. It's only me or everyone here to give another chance. For example, you weren't short. Let's say you weren't short. You got this 2-hour trade, and press retrace to your entry again. Do you want to enter again? Because normally I don't trust this for some magical reason. But this worked like a lot. But I cannot trust like this entry for the second time. Like first time, okay, I will enter, but second time I'm not sure about this. But so far, I'm still trying to respect this OB. Sometimes I enter, but almost never because I simply cannot trust this. It's hard to end. Yeah, exactly. So I feel like it's strange, right? Totally close. Yeah, then yeah, okay. Okay, on gold, I'm going to keep my eyes right now because I open another screen. Back on NQE, NES, NES. Nothing is going on, so I don't see 2-minute model just yet, honestly. Nothing yet. Can you check? Yeah, let's do this. Good morning, good morning. Which one? First one? Which one? Okay, thank you. Let's check. Oh, choppy, choppy right here so far. Okay, guys, thank you. So far, so choppy. I don't like it. Distortion. We're not going to start this SMT. I absolutely don't like this. It's distortion. And seems like distortion, bullish distortion. Yeah, as long as we're holding this inversion, I'm bullish to this high right here. Simply because it's distortion. Like, if it's going to hold this, I will look for the move higher. But once again, here's a trade distortion consolidation. Yeah, perfect reaction from OB on daily. Created equal highs. Not, by the way, not equal highs. Yeah, kind of. Maybe, maybe like this. But once again, keep in mind it's consolidation. Something like this, I would say. Well, guys, let's focus right now. Market is about to be open. It's going to affect NQ and yes. Yeah, I do like Friday low of Friday high on both yes and NQ for today. And from Friday high, I don't want to see the action. But overall, my draw on liquidity is previous week low level. I just not sure when we're going to hit this, honestly. Guys, if you're going to hit 400 likes today, I will do giveaway, and I will do this every day. If we're going to hit 400 likes, it's going to be giveaway tomorrow, today, Wednesday, Thursday, next week, next month, and blah blah blah. So let's hit 400 likes to giveaway. You asked me on X. I didn't see this. I will check. What is your Twitter handle? So I will try to find you then. What is your username on Twitter? So I will check this. Okay, thank you. I will check right after Steam. Sorry about this. Probably didn't see this. Most likely I didn't see this. I would say in Q and yes needs to go to Friday high. From what I see. Friday high first, then we will see. Just traded below 9 a.m. open, right? Did not offer 2-minute OB, unfortunately. So today I'm going to trade around 4 micros. I don't think something better about this because I believe this week is going to be kind of hard, especially with war and something like this. You never know what kind of news is going to be. So I prefer to protect myself with trading small size. So I'm going to tell you I'm going to trade 4, maybe 5 micros, not more, maybe less. So the reaction from hourly fair value gap, absolutely brilliant reaction. Let's take Friday high, especially Friday high on ES is flat candle, flat top. Maybe it will offer SMT, maybe. In love with this reaction. Solid. Sweep reaction, but even if it wants to offer 5-minute change in the state of delivery, it's going to be with displacement. Absolutely hate it, but it is what it is. Okay, waiting. 2-minute model for long since we traded below 9 a.m. open. OB was offered with this displacement and it was immediately for 2 hours, so most likely nothing to trade. Gold needs, I guess gold wants to break above distortion high first because this is distortion. I do like to see maybe something like this. I'm not sure if it's going to really offer short stop for me. Just feel like this retracement down not enough to long. Yeah, it just feels like not enough. Oops, 1-minute chart. We do have first presented fair value gap, very small fair value gap, but we traded into this fair value gap already. Nothing interesting is going on. ES. Don't really like this. Switching back on 2-minute chart. Below 8:30 a.m. You mean open? 8:30 a.m. open? Yeah, let's see. But I don't usually use 8:30 a.m., but I'm going to highlight to see how we can respect these levels. Yeah, let's see. Oops. This line right here, that line right here is internal buy side. We only took this on in Q, which is about to over SMT. You wanna see rejection. Okay, I got it. Interesting observation, by the way. See how we respected this level. Also interesting to see this. Huge displacement. Only concerned how it failed to take Friday high, but it's okay. Let's see if it may offer any other signs for us. For example, it's going to invert first presented fair value gap. At this point, we'll hold SMT to drop lower. Exactly. See this? Yeah. And I mean, like, I don't mind to see my draw on liquidity is previous week low level. I'm just not sure if it's going to be today or after we hit Friday high. Friday highs and drop. Because right now we just took internal buy side liquidity and that's it. And we do have SMT. You think it will not take Friday? Totally possible. It's totally possible. Let's see what we have on high time frame. It did not enter this hourly fair value gap. I mean, it could be, for example, game from fair value gap to fair value gap, like from here to here. Didn't really happen. We have small inversion of our chart. It's not even balanced as far fair value gap. Feels a bit tricky right now. I hope I'm going to record this tomorrow or today, just later today. But presentation is ready, just need to record this. If not going to take Friday high, at least fair value gap right here, I believe. Like from fair value gap to fair value gap. From same PD race, Yes, it took small volume imbalance. Let me see what we have on. Just going to jump between time frames to see maybe I'm missing something. We have OB on 15-minute chart. Maybe a reaction from this OB so far. Let's see. Yes, 15-minute OB. That's all I see, honestly. And we have up. It's not order block just yet, but probably it's going to be OB. No, if you have Friday high on your chart, probably you didn't notice that your levels right now messed up because it's contract changed. And yesterday at 6 p.m. I opened my chart. I was like, what is going on? Why we have my levels like completely at random place? So yeah, we didn't take this, but maybe we took this based on old levels. I deleted all levels yesterday. I don't know. Mm, so I use daily candle for previous day high, previous day low level. And as you can see, just on daily chart, we're still sitting inside Friday candle, right? Need to do something with this. Just said that. So I used daily candle and I used 6 p.m. open. I mean high also 6 p.m. candle. That's why it highlighted as Friday high because it's after 6 p.m. even further it's going to be Friday candle already. Yeah, normally when contract changes, it's huge difference. Sometimes it's 300 points, sometimes it's 200 points, but it is what it is. So yeah, I hope NQ is going to pump to this hourly fair value gap at least. Or we'll take Friday high. So let's see. What we have on 30-minute chart. Nothing interesting. Okay, only potential hourly sweep confirmed with 5-minute OP. Yeah, interesting the action from 8:30 a.m. open. That's great to see. Also nice reaction from first presented fair value gap. Just a bit choppy, And gold's still tricky. Even if I want to consider it as potential sweep right here, I don't see 5-minute OB. Good 5-minute OB. I mean, it can be right here, but I don't like how we created new high right here after this. Another propulsion block. I believe it's not going to be even 2R. Let me see. We got the closure. Like, yeah, it's not even 2R. I know, like, I mean, I don't really like this. Like, from the open of next candle, once you got OB to the top of this 15-minute fair value gap, all I don't like in this order block is this high right here. So I don't like how we swap this. I mean, nothing wrong with this, just not perfect order block at this point. I don't really use fair value gaps. So, I mean, like, don't really like overall fair value gaps for entry. But I do like order block, or sometimes inversion fair value gap. I don't really use even first presented fair value gap for my entry, for example. Yeah, I do use propulsion blocks because, in my opinion, propulsion block is just order block. It's order block. Just this order block traded into previous order block. That's why it's propulsion block. Once again, we got expansion, consolidation, expansion. Let's see. Yeah, it's order block. I hate to call this honestly propulsion block because it's still order block, you know. Not done yet, as you can see. Failed to enter this range. No. It's exactly same as water block. Works exactly the same way. For example, when you talk, I'm going to talk about this in my new video, but when we have potential SWIP confirmed by OB, uh, let's say we miss this. Like we slept, we didn't see this, we weren't in front of our computer. We can use propulsion block right after this. So as I highlighted entry right here, for example, or right here, for example. So we got order block, propulsion, another propulsion block, and we got the closure, open, like entry. But once again, right, I prefer to go for 2R, but right here is not 2R. 2R is going to be still possible, by the way. Let's see if NQ can go higher. At this point, gold can go lower. Ignoring this week, right here, we have order block. I know, like, can I please go higher? Just enter this already for a value gap. Don't reverse from nowhere. Okay, nice. We traded from fair value gap to fair value gap. So right now we have like two options. It's going to offer smart money reversal on lower time frame from this hourly fair value gap or from Friday high. Now let's see. You know, I'm not ready to call this daily OB because it's not. This candle inside this sequence of these up close candles. Order block is going to be these up close candles. It just pull back, retracement, nothing more. So it's not OB, in my humble opinion. So ES took internal buy side liquidity and Q traded in this hourly fair value gap. That's it so far. Because right now, if it's going to trace to this OB again and fails to break below this level, let's see if it may pump again to Friday high. Zero signs of reversal just yet. Yeah, nothing yet to short this. Can be simply, once again, as long as we stay inside this range right here, should respect this for move higher to Friday high. Yes, we do have exactly the same OB, by the way, on ES. Forgot to highlight this. That's internal buy side, which was taken right here. Let's see. So very important for continuation higher, it must stay inside this range. Once we can break below this level, perfect for short. Let's see. Let's see. Closed above 50%. Also perfect ejection from hourly fair value gap. Like I said, it's like game from fair value gap to fair value gap. Just we don't have just yet. We don't have signs of smart money reversal. We do have one order block, minor sweep. So far, that's it. Ideally, I would like to look for short below this level right here, below this low, where at least to New York midnight open. But as long as we're inside this blue box, I will try. Just will be careful with this. Because if I want to highlight right now 50%, as you can see, we're still trying to close above 50%, which is bullish still. Brilliant move up. Let's see if my take Friday high. See how perfect sign right here, ignoring, for example, this OB and SMT in hourly fair value gap. See how we're trying to respect area right here. Absolutely amazing. I like how we respected 50% and first presented, but need to take Friday high, I believe. How many points we away from Friday high on yes, like 10 points away? You want to see potential shot from here. You're looking for a setup? What kind of setup? Or just like turtle soup? I'm not ready to be first seller, just yet. I don't want to trade at least like second stage if I'm going to be, if it's going to break below this order block. I would not say it's crazy market. Just normal move. I mean, maybe a bit fast move, but still no complaints. I would say. A bit higher. Come on, just take Friday high, and that's all I ask. Offer SMT between yes and NQ there. We will look for sure then. Yes or NQ, I don't care. Just be nice with us today. Because in my opinion, NQ last week wasn't bad at all. Waiting for another pump, guys. I'm not ready to short this. One more pump. Please. Offer SMT. Be nice. SMT. Order block, inversion. What? Something there. Short this. By the way, it formed propulsion block just for now. Yeah, like no problem, of course. Just talking is in queue. Maybe it'll listen to me. Yeah, if it's going to be 10 a.m. power of 3, which seems like can be, by the way, that's going to be brilliant. But still 9 more minutes. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. Maybe just all I ask for another move higher. Just last move up. At least we see 0 signs yet that it invalidates this continuation higher. Nothing yet. Nothing tells us to short. Nothing tells me to short. What will tell me to short? Once again, below bottom of this blue box. You know, with like 20 points away from Friday high, not worth too long right now, in my opinion. That's levels I'm looking for. How we could take this? Let's really bullish. What level are you looking for then? So I would like to see at least reaction from Friday high lower. Retracement maybe somewhere to discount, but my contract is new contract. Let's compare just for 2025. Mine is okay. As you can see, that's September contract. That's in Q, which has adjust to contract changes. So mine is okay then. Oh, don't worry about this. So don't say sorry about this. So it's okay. Perfect. Perfect move up. Okay, right now we took Friday high. By the way, look at this bias. 46% warm bullish. Mm-hmm. That's because of my magnets. We have equal lows lower, but I'm not going to lie. I didn't look for equal lows, but maybe I will start looking for these equal lows right now because look at this displacement down. So far, I still keeping my trade ideas on my chart to see how many times I was right. So basically, every single trade ideas that I was looking for was. By the way, I wasn't this long on Friday, but closes at break even to see this at Sunday open. I was on my funded account. I was long in this move and like I was like okay, break even then break even. So I closed like at 4 p.m. and it opened at my target. It was crazy. But all my trade ideas that I was looking for, like overall, play out. Using just one model, by the way. I don't want to delete this just to see how many trade ideas play out. Okay, we balance this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, I'm going to set alert for this equal lows. Probably it wants to go there right now. Flat top on ES. Okay, nice. Overall, nice move up. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Let's see what we can do right now. Yeah, you know, totally possible to see equal lows right now since your balance is 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah. What this line means? Don't remember. As you can see, like every single trade I did is just 2R. Um, yeah, maybe it will retrace right now, but I don't mind to see equal lows at this point, especially when it was like 2 points away. Uh, let's see. Feels like we need to go lower still. Maybe maybe it will create a 5-minute fair value gap and retrace there to equal lows, but equal lows seems obvious level. Let's see. It's not fair value gap obviously yet. 2 minutes left, but maybe it will create not OB, fair value gap to trade into this fair value gap to go to equal lows. Let's see. On Nkuni, yes, waiting for 10 a.m. Doesn't make sense to wait for 10 a.m. on gold because I would say silver bullet doesn't really work, in my humble opinion. Doing silver bullet, I mean, it's like doesn't have silver bullet idea. Equal lows 33.98. Yep. To be more specific, 0.1. Okay, let's see. Waiting for 10 on NQ. Yeah, you're welcome. I set alert to see what will happen from there. You said your next level is near 78. I don't really. What this line means because I don't remember. Why I have this on my chart? Will delete because I don't remember. Yeah, by the way, equal lows lines up with daily fair value gap, breaker block. Slightly lower we have inversion, but I'm not talking about inversion right now because it's too much to ask. Maybe volume imbalance. But you know why I would like to see a fair value gap? Because we took this by one tick. It can be external to internal. Yeah. Equal loss makes million sense to me then. Because it lines up with internal range liquidity. Oh, congratulations! You passed your account. So happy for you. You traded gold? Oh, I don't need 2-minute chart. Sorry, guys. So it created 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see if my trade into this. On Q mostly. Yeah, that's nice, by the way. Overall, I see this on daily as move from external to internal. So if we go to daily fair value gap, which lines up with equal lows on gold, it will be way better. So we need to just drop how many points? Like 10 points lower on gold. At least no invalidation of this yet, right? We don't have any signs of long setup. Oh, by the way, guys, see this? Maybe maybe we didn't ask for too much. Look at this drop on CL. If it's going to break below this level right here, which is daily volume imbalance, maybe our sell side doesn't look bad anymore. Look at this huge drop. Crazy. We have low resistance liquidity to downside. I didn't use first present fair value gap on gold. I did use only order blocks. So we just traded into this 5-minute fair value gap, just minor touch. Just like minor touch so far. A bit higher. Like preferable to touch, stay below 50% of this fair value gap, but oops, we're online. But go slightly higher, somewhere like right here. That's my key level, guys. If you're still unsure what level you're looking for, also equal lows. This blue box is daily fair value gap. We balanced 15-minute fair value gap, but still would like to see slightly lower. Exactly, about long setup out of questions at this moment. Exactly, because huge displacement. I see zero signs of long just yet on gold. I mean, yes, I like how we balance 15-minute fair value gap, but I don't like how it failed to take obvious liquidity level, especially if you already broke below this level on 15 minute. Maybe. Oh, you asked me. I will check my messenger after stream if you don't mind. When did you ask? This weekend? Because I have so many messages. Maybe I read this and forgot to answer, which is also possible. I will check. I will check. Maybe first possible retracement will be below this up close candle. Up close candle and inversion on 3-minute chart. Only at this point I will be looking for possible retracement down. Still bullish. Like I would say, yeah. If it's going to close below this candle right here, this up close candle, and let me choose it all, and offers inversion, there is a big chance to look for potential short. On gold, I trade 5 micros because I normally go for 10 points and more, so that's enough for me. Maybe like this. Below this fair value gap, basically below inversion, you know? Once again, only below this fair value gap if we invert this. Otherwise, like zero reason to short this bullish market. Let's try to find projections because I don't really have levels higher. I will use last swing high and last swing low. Well, it's so close to forced deviation. Oops. Do you have any levels at 195, guys? Because I deleted all levels yesterday, contract changed, so I don't really have any PD rays. Didn't have time to highlight every single PD ray. Do we have something at 195? I wouldn't say we had news at 8:30 a.m. At least it wasn't a high impact news, in my humble opinion. Okay, look how ES respected forced standard deviation. To the tick, let me see. High. Oh yeah, to the tick, guys, look at this. High. To the tick. Okay, plan still valid. Yes, on NQ. Thank you, thank you. You're welcome. Friday I am high at 195. Oh, that's even better. So let's see. Idea for sure it's still valid. If may close below this level and offer inversion fair value gap on 3-minute chart. Maybe it's going to be the tracement to this first present fair value gap again and OB on 3-minute chart as well. So that will be my trade idea, I believe. Like 38 points. Yeah, with not big size. Totally possible. With a small 2-minute fair value gap, probably not going to try this. Feels like part of consolidation. We have nothing on ES. But I like reaction from force and deviation on ES. You long gold with such huge stop loss. I'm not going to stop you from this. If you see setup, take this. And gear OT of weekly week 204 and 230. Yeah, right above forced and deviation. Let's see. Flat tap taken. Like, no way it's not going to offer the action, honestly, guys. So it doesn't make any sense to not to offer the action. No reason to talk about 5-minute chart because we don't have any order blocks there, but maybe it will offer potential 30-minute sweep. Just let's wait for order block first. Maybe not inversion, but at least OB over here. This point below order block. Just need to create order block. I'm just looking for potential risk reward. No, I need to have order block. No matter what. Doesn't make any sense to short. Just for me, once again. Maybe something on 1-minute chart. Maybe I'm missing something, but 1-minute inversion, that's all I see. 1-minute inversion on 1-minute chart. Just checking this on MNQ. Just create OB and Q. We will try this then. Even on yes, we don't have 3-minute OB just yet. Guys, 400 likes and I will do giveaway. If you just joined, 400 likes and I will do giveaway. So be more active for giveaway. Yes, so as long as we don't have 3-minute order block, don't short this. At least I'm not going to short this. I cannot say like don't short this as well. It's not going to be form. It's going to be just a giveaway in the chat. I will tell you how you need to participate. Just guys, hit the like so we can do giveaway. Once again, short, in my humble opinion, will be valid only below this level. That's it. Don't short without confirmation. Never, ever in your life. Uh, 50% of I trust you. All I see right now, it failed to over OB. That's enough for me. So to stay away from shorts, especially if I see like we have some equal highs right here. We have like projections higher. Let's be honest, like just right here, it offered zero negative signs to short this. Even if you want to tell me like it offered 1 minute inversion for a value gap, I don't use 1 minute chart. So I don't care about 1 minute inversion. Just we have obviously bullish trend and without confirmation. I mean, don't trust 1 minute chart when we have strong trend. Never ever in your life. You said 22 950. Oh, that's a lot to pump. It's like all-time high. What level do you have there? I already said that many times, but I don't really trust volume imbalances. I'm not saying it doesn't work, just it doesn't work for me. Guys, 400 likes and I will do giveaway. Oh, 29,950. Give me 1 second. Oh, yeah. Everything below, I'm fine. But you trade 20-second chart. I mean, once again, nothing wrong with 1 minute chart as long as we have strong sign of reversal right now, like just right now. But when it's strong trend, 1 minute chart just not for me. If it worked for someone else, that's brilliant. But that 1 minute inversion for a value gap that didn't make any sense to me because look at 3 minute chart, we had zero signs of reversal on both ES and NQ. ES offered nothing, NQ offered nothing. So just my 5 cents about this. I would never ever short this, even with one micro, like. Yeah, nothing there. Even on 1 minute chart, it did not offer market structure shift. You got account? Perfect. Happy for you. By the way, if you're about to get my funded futures, just for your information, I need to announce this. If you're about to get my funded futures evaluation, if you're going to get this, for example, today, if you're going to pass reason, like if you're going to pass, you will get another evaluation for free. Just like buy one, pass one, get one for free. I would say perfect deal. But that's a new evaluation that you're going to get after passing your first evaluation is going to be free only for 30 days. So make sure if you're going to go for this deal to pass your second free evaluation within 30 days. So they will not charge you for the second month. Tomorrow, it's short week. I wouldn't say like, guys, every single day can offer opportunity. Even you never offer this opportunity, but gold did. Like, guys, just don't stick to NQ only. I cannot say like what is best for you. For some people who profitable go for straight to funded because they know they're profitable. They don't want to waste their time on evaluation. But if you still feel like you're not profitable enough, you still need to more practice. So I highly recommend to go for evaluation and then to funded. Okay, when you said gold is harder for you, but my advice for you, don't think about instrument. If it's gold or NQ or CL, go look for at candlesticks. What you see, candlesticks. So if you just going to look for these candlesticks, for example, what would you do with? Sorry, guys, I know lots of drawings on my chart, but if you just see this chart without even knowing, like it's in Q, yes, I even can hide my name of my instrument right now. Would you probably short this, right? Funding six. I believe I read about them, but I didn't really like news trading rules. That's all I didn't like about them. I believe it was the rules like about 20 minutes news trading rule, which like I said like maybe no. But once again, I cannot say like, is they better or good because I never tried them. 10 minutes window. Okay, just need to read about them. So I checked this like a long time ago, not long time ago, maybe like in May, but I didn't really try them. Wanted to try them. Can you say why I was? Can you try to tell me why I was bullish on gold? Just your opinion about this. What's the reason behind short on gold? Who can tell me what's the reason behind the short on gold? I hate to execute on TradingView. When I'm outside, for example, I'm not at home. Yes, I do this on TradingView because I hate trade away chart. But main reason why I don't like TradingView, I don't like their executions. So Ninja Trader is best option for me. Equal lows on gold. What else? What's the reason of short? Like, think wider about this. Equal lows, yes, we do have them. But what else? If you just want to go right here, let me hide drawings. For information, we just took this high. What this can mean? Who can tell me what this can mean if you just took this high by one tick? But we took this high. What this can mean? Where we can go at this point? We took high. Where we can go? Futures works. It's futures. Internal range liquidity, exactly right. So basically move from external to internal. All I was looking for, just move right here. That's it. Exactly. So just simple logic, guys. Don't make this hard. Keep this simple. From external to internal. That's why I was looking for daily fair value gap to look for long. Make sense? I do, by the way, where I do prefer to do swing trading is on gold because, for example, on Friday I was long on gold, but on my funded account where it was 5 minute chart, and I was like, that was my long. I entered long. What time it was? Like 1 p.m. It was after lunch. I remember this, but then consolidated, and at 4 p.m. I closed at break even. And guys, I was so confident. When Sunday is going to open, it's going to hit my TP. And like, I was so confident. Just, I'm so disappointed. I decided to enter this long on funded account instead of personal. But long was super obvious in my opinion. Just annoyed that I didn't do this on my personal account. So we're still trying to respect 50%. Yeah. Okay, about gold and why it doesn't allow you to trade on my funded futures. When you pick the data, oh, by the way, can you go to your, let me navigate you. Go to your dashboard on my funded futures. I will help you right now. Dashboard on my funded futures. If you went there, find billing. Scroll down. Can you please send me a message on Twitter? I will help you with this. Not going to do this right here. Please send me a message on Twitter. I will help you. So normally I trade gold before market even opened. So because I noticed when market is opens, mostly it's going to be continuation. For example, right here, it was continuation setup, for example. But best setups, in my opinion, I'm going to talk about this in my video, between 7 and 9 a.m. Normally, I don't know why, but 8:20 a.m. on gold. What we have at 8:20 a.m. But on gold, almost every single day, I see setups at 8:20 a.m. Why? I don't know, but something is going on at this time. We have some sort of macro. I don't know what we have at 8:20 a.m. on gold. But I noticed when I was trading gold, my stats were between this time, between 8:20 and 8:40. Oh, probably that's why. Oh, that's it. Let me take screenshot. I will add this to my thank you. I will add this to my presentation in my video. Good to know. Good to know. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we didn't hit force and deviation, but I believe we have some liquidity higher. Extend this to the right. Yeah, I didn't take this. I'm so happy to share my opinion about straight to funded, but I never tried straight to funded personally. I'm like old school. I'm thinking if I want to shift right now this stop a bit higher. Let me think about this. Because this one's still valid. I'm just thinking if I want to shift this like this. Maybe. Like order block plus inversion, sign of smart money reversal. But that's it. I'm not ready to short off this order block. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's not smart money reversal sign. But I may go for inversion. Maybe. I just don't have targets higher. I'm not going to lie. It's already hit my levels. I mean, on NQ, I do have a level higher, which is forced in deviation. Just I don't see long set. I mean, I can see long setup. I just don't know what level I need to aim for. CPI high? I know. As long as gold inside 5-minute bearish fair value gap, I will not go for long. $283 data high. Okay, let me highlight this on my chart. I didn't have it. So 283. What kind of data high we had there? It's like NFP. What we had there? I'm going to keep on my chart. It's not that far, by the way. No, it's pretty much close. So I will go for it if we get this. like inversion plus order block, it's going to be invalidation. Invalidation. I mean, it's still bullish trend, so I don't see any invalidation of bullish trend just yet. But if we get, for example, I talk about this in my previous videos. Smart money reversal can be confirmed by order block and change in the state of delivery, plus high time frame level, or market structure shift and change in the state of delivery, plus high time frame level. So probably I will go for change in the state of delivery and inversion for a value gap, plus high time frame level. So I can look for possible move like this. That's all I see so far, guys. I just don't have levels higher to long this. I don't want to long blindly because I'm not sure how far we can go today. This dark line, black line is worse than a deviation. That's all I have. We were like 1 tick away, 1 point away. Sorry, guys. Which indicator? What indicator are you looking for? Just don't short right now, just yet. My recommendation, simply because we don't have any signs of smart money reversal just yet. Every single time when you're looking for reversal, it's a good idea to go for think about market maker model about like if you're looking for reversal. Just right now we have 0 signs of smart money reversal, negative signs of smart money reversal. Just it's still bullish. Just be careful. No, I don't use. It's not paid indicator. That's free indicator, guys. It's just high from candles. Right here. Just change the colors. I change this to black and green because my red color hurt my eyes. We're now going to shift this to this level. On gold, as long as it's inside this fair value gap, I would like to see equal lows. I'm not going to go for a long. That's what I said before. Maybe if it's going to break about 50%, but internal range liquidity remains lower. So think about this. Yes, I got approval for indicator, SIP indicator. I'm going to share this in my video. So I will talk about this indicator in my video and I will attach links. So I don't want to just send it in the chat without explanation how it works. We are 90%, 94% up. I agree with you. So 0 signs of invalidation just yet. But honestly, I'm surprised to see how it failed to offer any reaction from Friday high, at least on ES. Yes, you can use NQU. It's going to be a bit different levels because this contract doesn't have much data, a lot data just yet. But yeah, you can go for this. Now it will drop. Let's see. Just keep in mind, guys, it cannot drop from nowhere. It must take some sort of level, higher from level. For example, hard to say, honestly, maybe rejection block. It can be higher from level. Let's try to find some levels, guys. 30-minute OB. Oops. Guys, if you just joined, if you are going to have 400 likes, I will do giveaway. If you are not going to hit 400 likes today, I will do giveaway tomorrow if you are going to hit 400 likes. So go for it if you want. June 10, SIP works. Guys, okay, let me create steps, quick steps, how you need to upgrade to my funded futures because, okay, give me 1 second. Let me log in right now to my funded futures account. Give me 1 second. I will try to help you. Guys, right now, just log in on your dashboard. Let me create some steps for you. See this button? Just click there. Next step. Go right here. Just scroll down. Find this orange button. Click on this View Market Data. Click there. Then, guys, you will find Trade Await. It says CME Group Level 1 Type Upgrade. Can you see this? Hello, Michael. Trying to help people with upgrading to that market data. Type upgrade on if it with Trade Await. I'm sorry, guys. You will find Trade Await type upgrade there. You know, I hope it was helpful. Today, Michael, do you trade gold? I mean, gold was nice today, but my concern right now, I'm going to just hide my drawings. We have literally moved from external to internal, so on gold, we're looking for lower. Oh, no gold trade. So we're looking slightly lower on gold to internal range liquidity. That setup that we saw today, that's it. We're going for 2R only, so but still looking for move to equal lows and internal range liquidity. On NQ, kind of bullish, but I don't really have levels higher. So I hope it can reject soon to first presented FG again. But the question when? So probably I will go for 3-minute smart money universal to short this if it's going to offer. So basically, maybe like this that I highlighted on my chart. That's it. About confirm, I already said it at least 5 times. So basically, I'm looking for smart money universal. And smart money universal, in my opinion, must be confirmed or change in the state of delivery and market structure shift plus high time frame level, or change in the state of delivery and inversion fair value gap plus high time frame level. Just for now, we have nothing to short. Like if you want to short, just think about this in terms of market maker model. Is it time for transition from market maker buy model to sell model? I wouldn't say this just yet. I just don't want to be first seller, you know, at this point it doesn't make any sense, especially with bullish market. But if it's going to offer what I drew right here, I will go for this. I will scalp 2R, so I'm not going to like say like it's probably going to be a failure trade. No, not really. So I think it will retrace back to first presented fair value gap. You know, today I was talking about 2-minute model before. If you just joined, I'm going to repeat this again. So I said, yes, it offered MT model for long today, but see how big displacement was right here. That's why I highlighted this blue box, which is another OB, like for continuation. And that's why I said if we are going to stay above 50%, it will continue going higher. That's it. So MT model play out, but the question is, like normally, according to this model, you need to enter at the open of next candle, stop right here, 70 points. Are you serious? And go for 2R, which is over here. We never hit 2R. It was close, but still doesn't make any sense to go for this. But what makes sense to me is just go for another one. So I can open right here, for example, my long stop loss below this order block. and go for 2R. This one. When we have huge displacement without retracement back to OB, doesn't make any sense to trade this. Guys, if you just joined, I will do giveaway if we're going to hit 400 likes. And it's going to be, let me think. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader accounts. Let's hit 400 likes and I will do giveaway in the chat, by the way. It's not, you don't need to fill any form. It's going to be a bit different format of this giveaway. So let's do this. From both your accounts. Let's see. Waiting for order block and inversion. Mm-hmm. 3-minute OB. Mm-hmm, exactly. I just want to anticipate potential sweep. Let's see. Kind of excited. Let's see what you'll can have today. If you watch ICT core content, I believe that's pretty much enough. He covers everything in there. So he has like 12 playlists based on core content, and highly recommend to watch this. Waiting for 3-minute order block, 27 reversal. Month 8, I believe it was great month, and month 9 also was nice. Guys, I will go for change in the state of delivery plus inversion of fair value gap, not inversion of fair value gap plus change in the state of delivery. So I will go for this, as I mentioned before. In my opinion, if I need to pick one PDR that I'm going to trade until the end of my life, it's going to be order block. I don't know, like I'm so bad in fair value gaps for some reason. I'm not that good in inversion fair value gap as well. But order block, what can be better than order block? I don't know. Yes, doesn't have any OB as well. We traded into fair value gap. I'm going to delete this line just right now. We're inside 30-minute OB. That's why I would like to use 3-minute chart. Can you please put magnets on the gold lower? Give us 1 second, please. Let's see if it may create OB just for us. My plan is to short 3-minute OB on NQ. Didn't offer yet. But offer it only, yes. Hate it. Just trying to see what we have on different time frames. On 5 minutes we have nothing, guys, yet, in my opinion. Looking for short of 3-minute OB, which lines up with 2-minute OB. We don't have any yet. Yeah, I mean, like, I need to have change in the state of delivery and inversion for a value to say it's smart money reversal. It's what I'm looking for. Can we get this? I have no idea. But we don't have even 3-minute OB yet. Yeah, I mean, we have lots of different pictures as high time frame level. Personally, maybe for high time frame level, I will go for order block and fair value gap. But for entry, I will never, not going to say never, never say ever, never. I will not use fair value gap most likely for my entry, but I will use OB, non-lower time frame. But on high time frame, I can use fair value gap, order block, I don't know, like what, breaker block, mitigation block as my high time frame levels. What about macro? Macro works, so. Yes, we don't have order block. What this means for me, we don't have smart money reversal just yet. I can be wrong at this point, so it can simply drop right now, but I don't have any sign of smart money reversal just yet. I just see this as pullback. But the issue, you probably want to tell me, like, why not too long? Problem is, I have no idea where we're going at this point. It's already, I was looking for Friday high. Above this level, I have nothing. I mean, we have some sort of data high, we have rejection block, 233 is liquidity level, but I don't know, like. Previous weekly, it's like lots of points to pump. Like almost, not almost, like 140 points away. Yes, unicorn, 1-minute chart. Let's see. Oh, you're talking about this? Oh, by the way, we have SMT. Yeah, you might be right. I just will stay on 3-minute chart. We'll use ideas that I mentioned before. Gold, simply that price action right now. Guys, if I'm going to leave, but I will leave with a note about PM session setup. So if you look for M2 model, just I'm going to leave soon. I'm going to just will let you know what problem I'm going to trade, and you can trade this as well. After 1 p.m., I will start looking for the trade. So depends what we can do before 1 p.m. If it's going to be just move up before 1 p.m., I will short. I will short using 2-minute OB. So I will wait for the price to trade above 1 p.m. open. And if it's going to trade above 1 p.m. open and can create 2-minute OB, I will short this. If we will trace right now, for example, right now, and it needs to continue going higher, and after 1 p.m. it will trade below 1 p.m. open first, I will long 2-minute OB. Just I will let you know what I'm going to look for and what I'm going to trade. Next month, in July, I will stream PM session as well. Hope you're going to enjoy this. So I will stream AM session and PM session. Seems like and Q failed to take this high, while M and Q did that. Look at this, guys. See, oops. See this M and Q chart? See this NQ chart? See how it failed to take this high? I cannot say like this is SMT, but that's definitely something interesting. No, Asia, I cannot stream Asia because I have kids. Guys, if you're going to hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. 100 likes more, so let's do this. Still same idea. I'm going to wait for 3-minute OB no matter what. Because we have like SMT between M and Q just right now. Oh, we can. That's interesting, by the way. I will short 3-minute OB as I mentioned before. Uh, yeah. Guys, come on, let's hit 400 likes. I will do giveaway and we are going to be done for AM session. For PM session, I already shared my plan. EB Chappy, yeah. Come on, 80 more likes, even less, to do giveaway. It's going to be Take Profit Trader giveaway, account giveaway. Just like the stream, and I will do giveaway in the chat. It's going to be in the chat. It's going to be a bit different format. You don't need to fill any forms. So yeah, this kind of giveaways is going to be every day. So with likes. So you need to fill any forms and something like this. For 1 p.m., you got my setup. It's going to be only 2-minute model. Explain this already. This is what I'm going to look for. Look at yes, really struggling right now. Let's see if you can create OB. Yes, right now I'm going to use 3-minute chart and I'm going to explain my new video why. So basically I'm looking for a potential 30-minute sweep. I will share this video maybe tomorrow on YouTube so you can backtest and see how it works. It's not like empty model, just like turtle soup on high time frame, just with low time frame entry. Nothing yet. Come on, guys, 40 more likes and I will do giveaway. So 5 is expects an ejection block, so it's my high time frame level. If it's going to create 3-minute OB, we will go for this. Guys, 30 more likes and I will do giveaway. Come on. So in my YouTube new video that I'm going to share on YouTube tomorrow, I believe tomorrow, I explained why I want to go for a 30-minute chart. Come on, 20 more likes and I will do giveaway. And we're going to be done for AM session, but for PM session, you got my plan. I'm going to follow this plan. Come on, guys. 18 more likes and I will do giveaway. 18 more likes. I want to see drop as well. Any minute? With 3-minute OB, I just go for 3-minute OB. 10 more likes and I will do giveaway, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Never say market is bad. I mean, because for some people, market is amazing. Just understand where a market, from what level market should reverse and what levels or conditions you need to have to look for short. I hope you got it. It's going to be gold model, it's going to be CL, gold, and NQ model, but it's going to work for every instrument. I will explain everything in the video, you will get this. Guys, one more like and we have 400 likes and I will do giveaway. This is Monday, guys, come on, Monday. It's Monday only, so you will have lots of opportunities later this week. We don't have 400 likes yet, by the way. Oh yeah, we hit it. Okay, guys. Oh my god, I hit my feet right now. Okay, conditions, right? Guys, easy to enter giveaway. Type any number from 1 to 99. Any number from this level. From these numbers. Any number. You can enter just once. Just once. Any number right now, guys. Any number. This giveaway is going to be every day, guys. I see lots of 87 for some reason. Guys, you know something, but why lots of 87? You love this number? Okay, guys, stop. 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 And 25. That's it. Who was 25 first? Give me 1 second. Let's log into the chat. Guys, wait. Wait. Wait, I'm not that fast. Stop typing right now. Who was sure? Okay, stop typing. I cannot see any messages right now. Wait. Guys, stop. Stop. From 25 seems like so many. Let me see. Need to check this for so long time. Winner is Who was 21st, 25? So many messages, guys. I'm so sorry. Give me 1 second. Some reason I don't see like lots of 25s for some reason. It's only after I announced 25. Wait, guys. So slow. So slow. Winner is. Because feels like it was Josh first who typed this. I can be wrong, but I'm trying to scroll this down. Seems like it was Josh. This guy was first who typed this. Yeah, he's the winner because from what I see, he was first. So, Josh, can you please send me message on Twitter? He was first. I scrolled during the entire chat, guys. He was first. He's here, I believe. You're here, right? That's why I was scrolling during the entire chat when I started. He was first who typed 25, like overall. It was 25, number 25. So, Josh, can you please send me message? Do it again. Do it again. Okay, give me 1 second. I will do this again tomorrow because once again I scrolled entire chat and he was first who typed 25. He was first, guys. He was first. Sorry, guys. Tomorrow another giveaway. He was first who tapped 25. So he's winner today. He will get one 50K Take Profit Trader account. You think it's not fair? You think it's not fair, right? Okay, one more time then. One more time. If you feel it's not fair. I can sort this. Guys, fill this form, not this form, just click at this form, type your YouTube name and number from 1 to 99. From 1 to 99, username plus number. So I will at least can sort this who was. Oh, you cannot comment this? Give me 1 second. Dasha, what's wrong with you? Give me 1 second. Guys, give me 1 second. I guess create Google form will be much better because I can at least sort people. One winner for today, guys. Give me 1 second, please. Yes, start typing the numbers between. Not start typing right now numbers because you're going to type them in the chat. In Google form. Okay, so far while I'm creating the form, guys. Here's the form for you. Give me 1 second. Guys, type the number in the form, not right now. Here we go. Guys, number between 1 and 99. There, let's go. Okay, 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Number between 1 and 99 there. In the form. Good luck, guys. It's going to be take profit trader give. Oh, sorry, guys. It's going to be take profit trader giveaway. As you can see, while I'm waiting for people to enter giveaway, on 3-minute chat, we still don't have 10-minute OB. Okay, guys, come on, enter giveaway. Here's the form. Just number between 1 and 99. Any number between 1 and 99. For some reason in the chat, lots of people spamming this for some reason. Any number between 1 and 99. Even I'll send you a take profit trader account. Lots of people love 13. 17, lots of 70s, 13s, guys. Okay, going to pick winner right now. Want to do it without form, but people cannot participate just once for some reason. It's okay. 46. Well, 46 winner is, we have 46. Yeah, we do have it. Here's the winner. He was first. That's it, guys. We got the winner. He was first. I will send you account, free account, take profit trader account. Do we have this guy right here in the chat? Yeah, you were first who typed 46. Congratulations. Tomorrow I will do exactly the same giveaway. You're welcome. I will send you account. I will send you account. Congratulations. Tomorrow will be another giveaway. Yeah, right now it was fair, right? So, uh, well, tomorrow exactly same giveaway with. I guess I will do take profit trader giveaway because that's best prop firm ever. So everyone should trade this. So I will send you email with your account. You will be lucky tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. You got my plan for PM session. For PM session, I will trade M2 model. So basically, depends what we can do right now. If it's going to go up right now, probably I will look for short. Probably using M2 model after 1 p.m. If it's going to retrace right now, but is going to offer any smart money reversal right here, I will look for long M2 model after 1 p.m. Who is winner? I announced this winner right here. He was winner. So yeah, for PM session, I will trade M2 model. Because right now, maybe I will trade something like during lunch, but as you can see, we have 0 signs of smart money reversal on NQ right now. He has offered 3-minute order block, but that's it. So NQ is still struggling, as you can see, doesn't want to offer M3 OB. So I will stay away from shorting this, but my plan remains the same. If it's going to offer 3-minute order block as an inversion for a value gap, I will look for short, as I mentioned before. M2 model available on my YouTube. Just go on my YouTube, you will find M2 model video. Last video in video section. That's pretty much it. What else? Nothing. Tomorrow I will do exactly the same giveaway. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. This means we are going to have giveaways almost every day. It's going to be different prop firms. It's going to be, I know, like my funded futures, take profit trader. What else we can do? Tradify, Apex. So, a new video will be available tomorrow. I hope you're going to enjoy new format with giveaways, because I guess every single day giveaway, it's a nice opportunity for everyone. For gold, as long as we inside 5-minute bearish fair value gap, I'm bearish to equal lows. We really need to invert this 5-minute fair value gap to long this. Nothing else. Just consolidating so far, still inside 5-minute FG. So guys, also make sure if you participate in giveaway, your country not restricted, because I saw lots of people winning giveaway, but their country restricted, so obviously you cannot participate. That's it. Don't make stupid mistakes. I will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow new giveaway. Yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. Don't make stupid mistakes. Wait for setup or smart money reversal, guys. Bye, guys.